In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove bookmarks in Google Chrome. If you're tired of typing the same website addresses over and over, bookmarks are the fastest way to keep your favorite pages just a click away. I'll walk you through saving a page, showing your bookmarks where you can see them, and removing the ones you don't need anymore, all in a simple, clear flow. First, let's save a site you want to come back to. While you're on the page in Chrome, look at the end of the address bar for the star icon. It sits right inside the bar where you type web addresses. Click that star once. A small menu will pop up, asking you to confirm the name for your new bookmark. Keep this name short and clear so it's easy to spot later. Short names also help more bookmarks fit on the bar. When you're happy with it, click Done. That's it. You've saved the page, and Chrome remembers it for next time. As a quick visual cue, when a page is bookmarked, the star turns blue. If the star isn't blue, that page isn't saved yet. Next, let's make your bookmarks easy to use by showing them at the top of your browser. Press Ctrl+, Shift+B on your keyboard. This keyboard shortcut toggles the bookmarks bar on and off. If you don't see anything change at first, press the same keys again. It's just switching between visible and hidden. Keeping the bar visible is perfect when you're working and jumping between sites. Hiding it can make your browser look cleaner when you don't need it. Use the shortcut anytime to switch based on what you're doing. Now, if you no longer need a bookmark, you can remove it right from the bar. Just right-click the bookmark you want to delete and select Delete. It disappears instantly, which helps keep your bar tidy and focused on the links you actually use. There's no extra confirmation, so make sure you're selecting the one you truly want to remove. There's also a quick way to unsave a page while you're currently on it. If you're visiting a site and the star is blue, click that blue star again, then click Remove in the small menu. This is the fastest way to clear out a bookmark you no longer need as you browse. And that's the full cycle: saved, visible, and, when you're done with it, removed. With these simple moves, you're officially a bookmarking pro. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, faster browsing routine.